In this video, I'll show you how to create an email in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and at the top, simply click on the Create button. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the Create a New Email section. On the left-hand side, if you click on the drop-down for email, in here you can choose either a regular, a plain text, a multivariate, or a template. Let's say we want to choose a regular email. So from here, we will choose the first option. Once you do that, on the right hand side, you can set your internal name. Let's name this our email. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Begin. And once you click on Begin in this section, it will ask you to start from a template. What you can do is simply choose a fully designed, a basic layout, a start from scratch, or use code to create your own template. Let's say we want to choose a fully designed one, so simply head over to the first option and click on the hyperlink. Now, as you can see here, you'll be taken to the template section. In here, you can still choose from either code your own, you can start from scratch. What you can also do is choose a template. So let's say we will choose a template. This will be the editorial newsletter. Simply hover your mouse on a template and at the top, click on Apply. Now, once you click on Apply, it will take you to the builder of your campaign. In here, you can start designing how you want your email to look like. If you do have buttons, you can also add that. On the left-hand side, you will see the exact elements, or what we call as blocks, in which you can add within this template. And once you're done, head over to the top and right corner and click on the green button to save and exit. Once you click on Save and Exit, that will take you to the section where you need to set up your email. So on the left-hand side, on the To section, this is the first section. Click on the drop-down. And if you haven't had your recipients yet, what you need to do is simply add your audience. In here, I have set up my audience. I can even choose one, but I will set it up to all of my audience. At the bottom, you can choose where you want to send this to within your audience. You can choose all of your email subscribers, pasted contacts, your pre-built segments, the segments, as well as the tags. Now, since I want to send this to all of my subscribers, I will just simply choose the first option. You can also choose to exclude a tag or a segment. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Save. Now, on the From section, if you click on the drop-down, in here, you just need to add your personalized name. On the right-hand side, you can add a different email address. I will just simply add my plain one. And once you're done, just simply click on a random section. It will save. If you did change the details that you have in here, then head over to the bottom and click on Save. Now, on the subject section in here, you need to add a subject line as well as a preview text. The preview text is optional, but it is suggested. On the subject line, this is essential. So what you need to do is simply add your subject line, let's say our newsletter. And at the bottom, what you can also do is use AI to generate your subject line and preview text options. On the send time, this is where you can decide where you want to send or when you want to send this email to. And here we have a schedule. This means that it will send it on the exact delivery date in which you have set, as well as the delivery time. For the delivery time, you can send when the recipients are most likely open, and it will calculate the specific optimized time. On the send at a specific time, in here you can choose a time where you want to send this email to. And if you click on Send Now, it will automatically send this email as soon as you click Send. Now, once you're done with all of the basic contents or one of the basic options, on the right-hand side on top of the preview, you can send a test email. But let's say we want to send this email as a whole. So at the top in the right corner, if we click on Send, a preview will show. From here, head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on Send Now. That will usher your email and send it into the queue. And once it's done sending, it should say that the email has been sent. For now, it is still sending, but once it is done, it will automatically say that the email has been sent. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.